Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and today in this video we are going to learn how to check live performance of a strategy using a share code on Tradetron. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all you have to log in Tradetron. So once you log in, so most of the strategy creator mention their share code inside the strategy description. Like here, if we have to check the strategy share code, let's go to top creator, open any strategy. Let's check this Patni Capital Private Limited strategy. Click on the first one, and here when you slide down a bit, see here you will find the share code. So all you have to do is copy that share code and go to manage share code, and here in share with me, tap on add code and paste that code which you have copied. Click on add. And here you can see the message that access to strategy is successfully granted. Now let's check if your strategy has been added. Go to the deployed section. Click on this filter button. Select type, and here you have to select this share with me. Click on filter. You can see the strategy which we have copied is now available on this screen. So if the strategy share code is not visible, it means the creator has not allowed sharing. So what you can do, you can drop a message to the creator and request if he could provide the share code. So let's check a strategy where the share code is not mentioned. Again, go to top creators and open the strategy. And when you scroll down and try to find the share code, and as you can see that there is no share code mentioned in this particular strategy, tap on this mail icon, and here you can type your message. Please share the strategy share code with me, and send. Now once the strategy is added, it will be appear in your account under shared strategies. So to check the live performance of the strategy, open the deployed page, click on this filter option and select share with me. So here you will see the current live performance, including the number of position open, number of trade executed, current live P&L and counter running. If you wanted to look at the detailed analysis, just click on this three-dot option and select stats. So you can see that a detailed performance report would be open where you can analyze the strategy's win rate, drawdown, monthly and weekly performance, and the complete trade history as well. And if you wanted to know what are the 5 key metrics you should check always before trusting any strategy, please refer to the link provided in the video description for complete breakdown. Until then, happy trading. Bye-bye.